I just want to say I appreciate you guys all stopping by to check out this video. We are going to be doing a PR unboxing and swatch. I did kind of already open up the box here. This here is from Nail Reserve. They did reach out to me, wanted me to try their polishes. I've never tried these polishes before, so we're just going to open them up. I do love the whole little brown crinkle paper. That is so cute. So let's just go through these polishes. The first two, I have this one here is called the Big Picture, which is a nice orange color. Oh yeah, that is really bright. All right, the next one we have is called Seafoam, a nice teal color. They seem very creamy too. We are gonna swatch those today. Let me just get these out and then we'll start swatching actually. I did have to get a white, so this here is White Reserve. I have heard about these polishes before and I heard that their white is really good, so you know I had to grab me a white. All right, and then the next one I got is called Beauty and the Nude, a nice nude color. Last but not least, we did get a mauve color, pink, of course. It is called Urban Pink. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this one's really pretty. So I'm actually going to swatch this one first. I'm going to just go ahead and move the box out of the way. And then let's swatch Urban Pink first. And again, this is Nail Reserve. All right, let's get this color swatch. This is Urban Pink. Ooh. Oh yeah, I definitely like this color. This is like right up my alley. This is a really pretty color and they are super smooth, like very creamy. That is a really nice color, you guys. And I think there's lint on my my nail, so if you see the lint, it's not from the polish, it's from my nail, I believe. I'm gonna have to figure out this whole dust thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Again, that is Urban Pink. Next color I'm going to try is the Big Picture. I'm actually going to dust off my nails here because I don't know where I'm getting all this light from, you guys, honestly. All right, oh, and I'm sorry, I'm not sure if I mentioned in the beginning, but these polishes are vegan and cruelty free, so which is also really, really good. So really nice. All right, let's go ahead and try the Big Picture. Ooh, this is a really pretty color, ready for summertime. That is a very vibrant orange, like really, really vibrant, really, really pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this one as well. And let's go ahead and do a second coat of this. I wanna see what it looks like with the second coat of the Urban Pink. Oh yeah, this is truly nice. This is really nice, you guys. Look at this. The first coat was like, blew me away, but the second coat, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna cure this one. And then we're gonna do a second coat of that orange one as well. I don't even think this needs a second coat, but I'm just gonna do it just because for the purpose of this video, but I honestly do not think this needs a second coat. Like this is like very opaque. That's really pretty. All right, so the Urban Pink, oh my goodness. I am like blown away by these colors. Look at this. This Urban Pink, oh my gosh, guys. This is like gonna be my favorite color, I'm telling you. This is it. That's it. That Urban Pink is stunning. All right, so next we're gonna try Seafoam. Nice teal color. This is really opaque too. Like, you do not need a second coat of this at all. Like, this does not need a second coat. Look at that coverage. You can't even see the white tab from the nail thing underneath. Like, this is super opaque. Uh-oh. All right, that was the orange one, and I'm gonna just go ahead and sit it down. These colors are stunning. I'm going to cure the teal one. While that's curing, I am going to swatch the White Reserve. Oh yeah, this white is stunning as well. Oops, that was my bad. Yeah, I've got lint everywhere. I don't know where it's coming from. It's crazy. Anywho, this one here is White Reserve. And we're gonna cure this one. I'm not even gonna do a second coat of this because you really don't need it. Like, you do not need a second coat of this. Look at this. You guys need to go, if you have not used their polishes, you need to go check these out because that is stunning. That is just like mind-blowing how opaque it is. I mean, and I've had some opaque colors, but from other brands, but this here is just like, they're creamy, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, they are from Los Angeles. I don't know if they're made in LA, but very nice bottle. I'm sorry, I got some polish there. That's me there. so now I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch my last color, which is Beauty and the Nude. This is Beauty and the Nude. This is really pretty too. Oh, wow. That is a pretty nude color. And there's the white. I mean, I could do another coat of the white. What do you guys think? Wow, let's just do another coat. I don't think it really needs it, to be honest with you. Like the white, these colors do not, they don't need a second coat. That's stunning. Hey guys, so this is Future Self, Editing Self. I am going to put my discount code in the description box and you can see it here on the screen. Go ahead and get you guys 50% off. All right, and I am, you don't need it, but again, I'm gonna do it anyway. That is amazing. Amazing. All right. So after that one cures, then I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a close-up of these colors. But again, these all came from Nail Reserve. They are a cruelty-free vegan nail polish or gel polish company. And this is my first time using them. Their polishes are really, really nice, I would say. I cannot wait to do a set with these. That video is gonna be coming up shortly. I'm actually getting ready to do my nails with these colors. I don't know if I'm going to be using all of the colors, although you most definitely can. I'm just looking at them. I can just see some things coming up for me in my head. But these are the 5 polishes. And look at those, you guys. Stunning, stunning, stunning. You guys need to go check out Nail Reserve. I will have the link and in my description box. I also have a discount code so you guys can get some coins off. Saving coins is the best. I believe you do get 50% off if you use my code down below. So go ahead and check out these polishes. They have so many polishes on their website. Please go check them out, you guys. Look at this. Stunning.